So I'm gonna show you like how to install the Visual Studio Code extension. Like I'm kidding. I'll just go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's a Visual Studio Code, not a Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code, and in the extension, okay, there is a option called extension in the left bar. Okay, if you see this, there's like a four square box. Just click on that extension and search for monkeyteam, and just click on install. So once it is installed, there is a circle. Okay, so we're gonna change that later. When I click on that, I can see my extension now. Okay, so there will be small changes in future. Maybe it's keep on changing, and there is an auto update feature. Okay, I mean if it is expecting any update, so there will be an option to update. Just click on it. Now this, let me know. I'll send you a API key, and I'll do another video like how do you add a API key to this. Okay, let me know once you install this.